Hey everybody, if you'd like to scan your documents using the Google Drive application and you are wondering how, you may head over and follow up these steps for that. Open up the Google Drive application for that, and once you open up the Google Drive application, you can just go over and look out for this option of plus icon in the bottom left corner and select it. This one right here. Once you select it, all you gotta do is select this option of scan and go ahead and tap on it from the options that appears, and it will allow Google Drive to access your camera, which should be available like this. The camera will be opened up. Now what you can do is you can just go over and position the document so that it fills the full screen, and a blue line will appear to show where the picture will be cropped. You can just go over and do so. You can look out for the manual or the auto capture, or if not this, you can even select one of the picture that is already available on your device and scan it. For that, you can tap on one of the picture and select it. And then once the document is automatically added, once the scan happens automatically, you may need to tap on the shutter button and this appears. You can just go over and do so. And once you're okay with it, you can just go over and edit it out. You can add out filter, crop and rotate, clean, etc. And you'll be finding the scan readily available on your screen. So you can just go over and tap on next, or if you want to add more, you can tap on this plus icon right here and select it and add more documents and retake or rescan the current page. And after scanning, you can adjust the image and tap on next. And once it is done, you can just go over and upload the file. You can select up the desired format like your PDF or the JPEG and select the folder where you want to save it and tap on the upload option in the top right corner of your screen, and that's it. So it is pretty easy if you want to scan your documents using Google Drive. This is the method you can follow for that. So make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.